Yes, now question number 1 of this. Read the question, switch on your mic, and then you give the answer. Switch on your mic. Fast. Read out the question. Deepika, switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question.
Assertion: Pandas is a library of Python. Reason: this may raise the center of gravity of the board. Ma'am, the answer is option C.
Tell me why.
Ma'am, Pandas is a library of Python. It is a true statement, we know.
Yes.
But the reason is not true for the
Yes, correct.
statement.
Very good. So your answer is C. So I am marking the answer C. I can underline this. So this is my answer. Now next question. Next, who will switch on? Taha, switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Assertion: Panda is a library of Python. A reasoning: yes, we import pandas and can use function of pandas like series, data frame, etc. in Python.
Tell me the answer. First assertion
Ma'am,
is
A.
correct. Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
assertion is correct and
Yes.
reasoning is also correct and it is also the correct explanation of A. That's why.
Yes, yes, very good. So, in assertion, the point will be given as per your syllabus from anywhere of your book. 1 point will be given, and in reasoning, the reason, it should be the reason of that point only. So, if both are correct, suppose assertion point is also correct and reason is also correct, then the first option will be correct. That is, both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. If both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A, then the second will be correct. Third will be if A is true and R is false. Suppose here something else if I write, then see, like in the previous one you have seen, if your point is only false, suppose here instead of pandas if I write something else, anaconda, if I write anaconda is a library of Python, then A is false, so you will write D statement. And if both are false, suppose this is also false and reasoning is also false, then you will write the E statement. Clear? So the next one here, now this question, who will tell? I will change here. Yes. Now this question, switch on your mic, Amrita. Read the question.
Assertion: Pandas dot head is used to display first top 5 records rows of any series or data frame. Reason: yes, we import pandas and can use functions of pandas like series, data frame, etc. in Python.
Yes. Now
A is true, but R is false.
B portion, that is both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So B will be the correct answer. So here we are underlining B. Now here if we give the correct explanation of A, then what we have to write, suppose I am just copying it, and yes, now same question I have written here. This is our question number 4. This is our question number 4. Yes, now same question I have written. I will put a different marker here, and the statement here is yes, it displays last 3 rows or records. Yes. Now which answer will be correct? Which option will be correct here?
C.
C, ma'am.
R is false. It displays last. Yes, R is completely false. Now here one confusion is there, that R is not the correct explanation of A, because for tail, actually it is written, so it will be false. Now it is clear, if here tail is written, suppose if it is written tail 3 displays last 3 rows, then B will be your correct answer. But since here it is written, that's why C is your correct answer. So in this case, C will be your correct answer. I am removing this option from here and I am selecting C. So C is your correct answer. Clear? Now same question, if here instead of it, if I write here tail, wait, let me copy it. Now next question, I am changing this here, instead of it I am writing here pandas dot tail 3 displays last 3 rows. Yes. Now tell me which will be the correct option.
मैम टेल का स्पेलिंग गलत है.
B1 will be the correct option. That is,
मैम टेल का स्पेलिंग
sound is not. Yes, repeat again your question. First one is true, A is true, R is also true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Clear? So both are true. Head is used to display first of 5 records rows of any series. Tail displays the last 3 rows. So both are true. But it is not the correct explanation. So in this case, I will write here B. So I will underline B. Now next question. Now some new questions let us do. PyPlot also you have done. So these were the questions of your pandas related. Now one or two questions of your PyPlot also let us do. In PyPlot you have learned that matplotlib.pyplot you use to import the functions like bar, plot, etc. Now plot can be used for both, for plotting the line as well as the bar, but bar can be used only to plot the bar. So suppose here matplotlib question is written, some question is given as PLT, and then suppose I have written here import matplotlib dot pyplot is used, or alias name as P is used to import pyplot. So this is correct, and here the reasoning is given that it is a function of Python library. It is a Python library. Now we all know that for Python libraries you have to import it and then only you can use it. Clear? So import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT is used to import pyplot. It is a Python library, so it is to be imported for using its function. Now it is a correct explanation. Its function. Due to moisture, some of the keys are not functioning. Yes. Now tell me the answer.
A.
A.
मैम ए
Yes. And if suppose if I change it, I'm marking it A now, and this option I'm removing it. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Now I'm changing this little bit. Now see what I have done here. I have changed here. The first one also I have changed, and the second one also I have changed. Yes. Now tell me what will be the answer. First one is true or false?
False.
False. Second one is true or false?
True.
Second one, it is a pandas library. I have used it word means it means the above one. If I use here something else, I have written here it is a pandas library. Pyplot is not a pandas library, it is a Python library.
False.
False. So your option will be both are false. It is clear? Now if the first statement is true and the second one, suppose this one, if I change it, suppose this Python only if I write it. Yes. Now which one will be correct?
D.
D option. That is A is false and reasoning is true. So the first one is only false. So D will be the correct option. D. Any doubt till here? Now let us solve. Yes, if you have any doubt. Now we will write.
Ma'am, please share this word file in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, I will share all the questions. This word file, all the questions I will share. Yes. Now the next assertion I am writing related to your functions. Now you already know your syllabus has been changed. That is, this is your informatics practices new syllabus. Term 1, part 2, pandas 2 has been removed. So we will not do pandas 2 now, like quartile, quantile, those questions we will not do. Already this syllabus is shared by CBSE. This is your term 1, in which pandas, visualization and societal impacts, these we will do now. So 25 marks pandas and visualization, and 10 marks societal impact. So this 35
Ma'am?
marks, yes.
Ma'am, from Python Panda 2, the questions like minimum, maximum, and finding some, that will also not come.
No, statistics have been removed. I will show you the deleted part here. You can see this part from pandas 1, joining, merging and concatenation is not there, and pandas 2 is completely removed. This is pandas 2. Completely it is removed.
Only matplotlib is there.
Which one you told?
The matplotlib.
Yes, visualization also only line, bar and histogram is there. This pie chart, scatter, box plot, these all has been removed. Only like last year we were having line, bar and histogram, and how to add the labels, title, legends and the width you can change. So only this portion will come, this one will come, and your line, bar and histogram, this will come. Now pi, this
Ma'am,
has been,
question
yes,
related CSV and importing, that will also not come.
it will come. This is there in your syllabus. This is there in your syllabus. Yes, so here you can see CSV file, import CSV. It is similar to last year. Last year sample paper also I will share with you. It is same. Last year also this pandas 2 was deleted. So whatever was deleted last year, same portion has been deleted. So, but in term 1, you will get only from pandas, Python, and the societal impacts, that 10 marks question. And in term 2, you are having MySQL and computer network. This is in term 2. Clear? So term 1 is in November. MCQ questions, option will be given to you. Out of the option, you have to select, and the answer sheet will be your OMR sheet where you have to fill the circles. So that practice also, I will show you the OMR sheet. Some of the students already have seen the OMR sheet.
मैम
Yes.
मैम 9 अगस्त से कोई टेस्ट है, उसका सिलेबस क्या है?
किसका?
मैम 9 अगस्त से जो टेस्ट होगा
उसमें यही सिलेबस है, टर्म 1 का ही सिलेबस है, term 1 full, that I will tell you, I will give you in detail.
ओके मैम
Clear? So this you have seen one ABCD or ABCDE, like that option will be given. So OMR sheet will be given to you. You have to fill this OMR sheet. जैसे 1 का अगर A है तो A सर्कल को फिल करना है, इसका हम लोग बाद में प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे. ऐसे दिखता है OMR sheet. ठीक है, इसमें सर्कल्स बने रहते हैं. ऑलरेडी दोज हु हैव गिवन योर ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स, यू नो हाउ टू फिल द OMR sheet. So whichever option is correct, you have to fill that circle. So this is your November exam, so that we will do it. Yes, so in that case study will come. Already I have discussed with you the case studies, and CBSE has issued with this case study. So where is the case study? Okay, I will share with you the case study. I have already, in previous video we have already shared the case study. So that case study of series, data frame, and pipe plot, that we will solve now. And in second term you will have the case study of your networking and MySQL. Societal also this November only it will be asked. So these are your assertion and reasoning. Now assertion and reasoning of societal impacts, if it is asked, then what type of question? Anybody? Suppose the next question. Yes. Now suppose the topic is societal, just now you have seen here. Societal impacts also is going to come. So here, societal impacts. Now assertion, one assertion, suppose it is asked that the trolling is or what are the cyber security measures, or what are the threats. So trolling is a type of, it is a cyber crime, and stalking is a cyber crime. Now what is stalking? That if it is given in reasoning that somebody is just observing your passwords, or are following you and is disturbing you, so that all things. So here give me a question of assertion and reasoning from societal impact. Anybody? Any question, any statement, you just read it out, then we will write the reason of that. Suppose phishing, I am writing. Phishing is a cyber crime. Now this is correct. This is true. Now the reason what I have written is, suppose I have written this only. Now this is a statement which is correct, but it is not the reasoning of this. So now B will be the correct option, that both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Clear? And if I write a correct reasoning, that without the information, without giving any information, if anybody is collecting the any information of a person online, if he is collecting, it is called phishing, and without giving any information he is collecting, so it is a cyber crime. So phishing is a crime, or phishing is to collect information without the knowledge of the user. All the two. Phishing is to collect information without the information, without informing the person or whosoever from whom you are collecting the information, without informing.
That
Yes. So now which option will be correct?
A.
A will be correct. Clear? So now we will remove this statement. So now you have understood how you have to prepare for your this November exam. Read the chapters carefully, understand the chapters, and then means the reason this you can only answer when you know the information. You cannot mug up the things and you can give the answer of these questions. Okay, case study, the case will be given to you. You have to write the syntax. Okay, so there may be the commands you have to write. You have learned the command, you are writing. But in this case, what you have to do, you have to understand it. That yes, phishing is a cybercrime, correct. Phishing is to collect information, yes, this is also correct. So it is called a cybercrime. So it is a correct explanation of A. So it is A. And here, if it is written with by informing the person, so it is a wrong explanation. So not the correct explanation. If it is written here after informing, collect the information after informing the person. So now you will write B option. Clear? And if R is completely false, that it is not to collect, not to collect information. Phishing is not to collect the information. Now which option? So it is completely wrong. Phishing is not to collect any information. So now R is false. Clear? So here C will be the correct option. Now in this case, if phishing is a ethical, suppose it is written phishing is ethical. Now what will be your answer? Phishing is ethical if it is written. I will copy.
A is false.
A is false and
And
B
R
is
is-
also false. Reason is also
Yes,
false.
sir.
So E will be the correct answer. If it is written ethical, suppose I copy paste it and I write here it is ethical. Phishing is ethical. Cyber ethic. Now first one is also false, second one is also false, so both are false, so last one is correct option. Remove from the first one. Understood how it is to be done? So this is correct explanation is to collect information. Let me correct it. Otherwise, I will share with you this file and is to collect information without informing. Without informing. Yes, now it is correct. So A is your correct option. It is clear how it is to be done. So I think time is over for today's class. So I'm sharing you these all questions with you. I will design more of this type. So in this exam, you will get more of case study and this assertion and reasoning. From 9th, your exam is starting. Clear?